Hello, students and friends. Today we will learn a new and interesting concept whose subject is where chemistry applies. Means, what are the areas of the applications of the chemistry subject? Chemistry as the basic science subject for which Nobel Prizes are awarded. It's a very interesting and applied subject. Nowadays, modern form of the chemistry is arised. So today I will present what is the importance of the chemistry in day-to-day life and continuously for mankind. So subject is where chemistry applies. So as we know that chemistry is the center of science. It's a subject which is the center of all sciences because if we see life sciences areas about micro and molecular biology, in which cells are studied. Man, animal cells are studied, bacterial viral cells are studied, in which all the components, membrane to DNA and all the organelles, mitochondria in the cells, that components are formed by the chemicals, organic chemicals, in which fluids are there and in the cells ions are there, means chemical materials are there. The 92 elements in the periodic table natural, that elements and their compounds, organic or inorganic contents are in the cells. So for the life sciences, micro and molecular biology, chemistry is applied because without the knowledge of the chemistry, study of micro and molecular biology is impossible. Another area is the space science. Electronics, atomic structure application, quantum concepts are applied to the space science, ISRO laboratories, NASA laboratories. Such sciences are based on the chemistry, knowledge of the atom, atomic structure, electron transitions, electron relaxations, and that is applied to space science. Not only space science, to the nuclear science also, because nucleus of atom reacts in the sun's reactions, that fission reactions in applied in the bombs and reactors for the power production based on the chemistry knowledge. Then next area is the virology. For the research of the virology, study of the forms of the viruses and antidotes of the viruses can be studied with the knowledge of the chemistry. Not only that areas, in the material science also, whatever today's nanoscience and material science based on the chemistry applications, knowledge of chemistry, center of science, very very important. And next, pathology laboratory based on the purely chemistry, because various tests, variety of the tests performed on the basis of knowledge of the chemistry in the pathology laboratory to detect the components of cells and blood. Next area for the drug design and pharma industries, new drugs for the virology applications, bacterial applications, or for disease application, drug design based on the quantum science and quantum chemistry. The knowledge of chemistry is very very important to the pharma fields. Then cosmetic, food, forensic industries, forensic laboratories, fertilizer industries, soil technology application purely based on the chemistry knowledge. 92 natural elements and whatever synthetic elements applied to all these areas. The nutrient chemistry, nutrient science is based on the pure chemistry applications. Then photoelectronics application, the solar cells, space cells, spacecraft cells, shuttles, that are based on the chemistry knowledge. So these are the variety of areas of the mankind applied which are based on the chemistry. So where chemistry originated from the our whole four Vedas, Rigveda, Atharvaveda, Yajurveda and Samaveda, that is based on the four Vedas of ancient Indian literature that originated before thousands of the years by very famous Maharshis, Rishis, which were the Indian great scientists, and they originated 18 Puranas on the basis of four Vedas, and they formulated the science which is originated in the Takshila, Nalanda universities, first in the Indian universities, that goes towards the modern scientists in the foreign countries. So let's see what is the relation. Kanad invented the particles, that atomic structure based on Rishi Kanad, that is invented by Einstein and Max Planck, Bohr, Schrodinger. That is quantum concepts based on the Kanad, nuclear space science, applications are based on the Kanada research based on Rigveda. Atharva Veda explained the pathological applications, and Atharva Veda said that Shiva is the atom quantum, Vishnu is the energy, Brahma is the material, and whole universe runs on that. That basis of atom structure based on the chemistry knowledge, physics knowledge. The Atharva Veda explained that pathological applications of chemistry. Yajurveda explained the drug design, pharma applications, fertilizer, soil analysis applications of chemistry, because atomic energy relationship and that analysis towards these areas are based on the research of the Yajurvedas performed by various research, and after that modern scientists. Then photoelectronic nutrient applications, microbiological applications based on the Samveda, because Charak and Patanjali invented the Ayurveda. Hahnemann explained, the foreign scientist who explained the homeopathy based on Ayurveda. Ayurveda originated from these Yajurveda and Rigveda, and on the basis of that, these nutrient science, cosmetic food science, fertilizer technology applications, and molecular biology applications in the modern medical sciences are based on the chemistry. So chemistry is the basis. It is the center of whole modern sciences and ancient sciences also. Ancient science is based on the also chemistry and physics, because these are the two basic sciences. In that, chemistry is the basic science which is very applied and very important, because various our modern ancient rishis said that, what they have said, that rasayan sevan, that is eating the rasayan means chemicals, day by day your body get growth, body's balance is maintained by the chemicals. So in the day-to-day life, chemistry is very important. Not only day-to-day life, in the applied human mankind life, chemistry is at the center. So it is a center of science.